Dear team, customers, and value dealers, I'm Rodrigo Santos, the proud CEO of Maksiwa International, and I'm excited to share some amazing news with you. In 2023, we'll be celebrating this remarkable milestone, our 4th anniversary in the market. We could have done it all your amazing support and trust in our brand. As we're celebrating this remarkable occasion, we're excited to share some news of our extraordinary accomplishment. We have successfully sold a staggering 10,000 machines across all 50 states in the United States.
This accomplishment not only demonstrates the commitment to deliver exceptional product, but also showcases the trust and the confidence woodworkers have placed in Maksiwa International. At Maksiwa, our mission has always had two main goals. We work hard to offer woodworkers affordable and high-quality machines that meet their different needs. But our dedication goes beyond that. We're deeply invested in the success of our customers. We believe in empowering woodworkers to grow their business, to reach new highs of excellence and profitability. We're committed to provide exceptional products and comprehensive support to help woodworkers succeed. As we embark on the next chapter of our journey, we remain dedicated to exceeding your expectations. We will continue to innovate, expand our product offerings, and provide unparalleled service to our valued customers.
Our success is closely connected to yours, and we're honored to be part of your woodworking journey. Thank you for being a key part of our 40 years legacy. Let's celebrate our accomplishment together and embrace the exciting opportunities ahead.